What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, taking a look at another accessory that I picked up for my Ford Ranger 2021 XLT Sport. So if you've been following my channel since I picked up my truck, I've been slowly adding different accessory to it to personalize it. So this is like the third or fourth thing that I've added. I'll drop the links to the other videos down in the description if you want to check those out. But this time around, we got a bug and stone deflector for the hood. I picked this up from Amazon.com. Now, WeatherTech is another place that I've been buying parts from. They have one, but it's more of you peel and stick. I didn't want that type of bug deflector, so I ended up watching some videos and I found this one. And this one has some great reviews. So this is at Amazon.com. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to pick it up. This is the Auto Ventshade. The number on it is 25954 Smoke Bug Deflector 2. Hood protector for, it says 2019 Ford Ranger, but it also fits the 2021. And bug deflector, stone bug deflector, smoke, full height. So let's take a look at a few of the features and details here. So full height, wraparound design provides a sleek, aerodynamic appearance, effectively protects hood, windshield, and fenders from rocks and road debris. Off the hood design allows for easy cleaning and waxing. Durable, impact, modified acrylic material in a dark smoke finish. Proudly made in the USA, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So I paid $63 for mine, and it was Prime. So I see here are some of the prices here. Now I don't see Prime on here if you're interested in Prime, but I did get mine through Prime. I'll drop the link for this in the description below. So the box is a huge big box, so let's take a look at the box and what's in it. All right, guys, so here is the really long box that it comes in here. So we're just going to walk and let you guys see what it says. Sleek aerodynamic appearance. Right here is telling you available in smoke acrylic. Web address there. You got some more stuff here. Provides protection for stones and other debris. Precise engineered to fit the vehicle perfectly. Easy no drill installation. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. And then if you go up some more here, maximum protection for your hood and fender and windshield. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this out of the box, and then we can take a look at and see what's all in the box. All right, guys, so we're outside at the truck, and this is the content of the package. Only thing you get is the bug shield, and you get this bag right here. So you got your fasteners in there, and you got these little, I can get this to show here. I don't want to take it out of the bag and take a chance on losing some of this. But you get these little sticky backs that's going to go on back of the bug shield to keep it from being up against your paint. So that is all that you get in the box. And this is going to go right here, just like this. I got the hood popped a little bit, so that is how it's going to look once it's on the truck. It's going to fit like that, and I think it's going to look pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead, pop the hood all the way up, and then we'll take a look at what we need to do to install it. Alright, guys, so I have the hood open, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be taking out. We're going to be taking out these little fasteners here in so many places. You're not going to take them all out, but on the back of the bug deflector, as you see, they have them in every so often. You'll take those out, and that's what you'll replace them with, these fasteners here in this bag. So the tools that you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I bought this tool here, auto panel clip removal tool. I got this off of Amazon, like $8-10, something like that. And so let me get set up and I'll show you guys what we need to do next. Alright guys, so I have taken my magic marker and I have put a mark on each one of them that I need to take out. And now we're going to take our tool that we have and we're going to pop them out. Alright guys, so I have already popped this one out. And you just simply slide this tool in between it like this. Give it a little pressure and it pops out. Alright guys, so I have all of the little fasteners out. I have taken the bug shield and tucked it underneath the rubber right here. All the way around. I think there's 8 of these and you have to tuck it underneath this rubber. Like so. So now you're going to take your new fasteners. You're going to separate. This is what it looks like out of the bag right here. You're going to take this screw out of it. And then you're going to have just this part of the fastener. And we're going to put it up here. You're going to go behind this rubber. Make sure you line your hole up there. And get that in there like that. Now the head of the screw is going to go through the rubber part like that into the fastener. Alright guys, so I have them all in place, all the way down. And it's pretty secure in place, as you guys see. No wiggle. This came out a little funny looking here, but should be able to still close. But as you guys see, it's underneath the rubber seal there, so that is it. Now the last thing left is to put these on, these little deals here. And they go on the back side of the deflector to keep it from, trying to get that to focus, to keep it from going back up against your paint. Alright guys, so I have the truck out in the mall's parking lot here. Get a little bit better sunlight and can see the truck a little bit better over here. So, as you guys see, I pulled out every other fastener here all the way down and finally got it all together. And this is what it looked like, as you guys see. So here's a side view of it. And as you see, there's a pretty good sized gap right here. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Some of them that you buy are a little bit closer to the paint. But I guess overall it's pretty good. I can't complain about it too much. Let's close the hood down. And as you guys see, no issues closing your hood. Here's a front view of it, of the truck with the bug and stone deflector there. And then here's a side profile. And it looks pretty good. Pretty impressed with it. Here are the little stoppers that I put on there, so in case it tries to go back up against the paint, space those ever so often. And yeah, so the truck is coming along pretty good, exactly like I wanted. The mud flaps are still holding on pretty good. There they are there. My window visors are still here. As you guys see, I'm filming with the Canon M50. And they are looking good as well. Everything looks good, man. Still riding great. I got about 1,700 miles on it. And the other thing I did to it was change the letters on the back of it to black. So truck is looking awesome. Still riding good. I'm going to be taking it on the highway this weekend to Dallas Fort Worth area. Going to see what kind of gas mileage and how it rides on the highway. So next thing I'm planning on doing is putting a bed cover on the back of it, and maybe put a leveling kit, because the back of it is so much higher than the front. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. If I did, I may have to change the tires and the rims to make it look better. I'm not sure. So that's something that I'm thinking about doing. But yeah, man, that is the bug and stone deflector for the 2021 Ford Ranger XLT Sport. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H Tech Review. Get another side profile of this. Looking good. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.